Okay, to continue our street building, I'm going to add a grass. So I create a plane here. Go to material editor again. I need a standard urgency. 2 bitmap this time. The first bitmap I need is the grass picture. And R1 is the alpha map, which is in black and white. White, that means it will appear, and the black area, that means they will be transparency. And I link it to opacity, and I link it to diffuse. This is the outcome of my picture. I changed my viewport background to gradient color. That's you don't need to worry. Your background is still here. If you go to environment, your background is still here. I just want to make my viewport, to change the background of my viewport so that I can see my object clearly. Okay, this is my grass, but I have some problem about my picture. You see right here. That's my fault because while I draw this texture in Photoshop, there's 1 pixel here that I didn't crop. So what I want to do is go to bitmap, double click the bitmap. I want you to introduce this menu to you. Here's an option called tiling for U and V. Okay, if you change it, okay, you will change to repetition for the x-axis. Okay, this time I want to change the y-axis. We call it U. I decrease this number a bit. Okay, and then for the alpha map, the same. Okay, if you decrease this number, decrease the tiling, decrease the number of repetition, that means you will scale your picture, scale it up just a bit. And also you can crop your picture right here. You see here's a few image. If you apply it, you can update your picture. Just do some simple crop or rotation right here, but I'm not going to use this function right now. And then I close it. Okay, this is my grass. I press Z to zoom it. You find that only the front side is valid to our camera. The back side was everything was in dark. So what you have to do is go to the material editor again, double click this material, turn on 2 sides. The computer will help you do the front side and also the back side also. And then I go to modify, give some segment for my grass. I use FFD, control point, select the control point right here and move it upward, but move it far away. And then just adjust the shape of your grass. You can design different types of grass with different kinds of shapes, but now I just use one. If you have more shapes, you will have more variation. And then what I want to introduce to you is the ObjectPaint. You can double click this tab to open it. I add my grass in the list. And then I ask my computer to paint on the selected object, my soil. After that, you can ask your computer to use which direction as the alignment. Okay, before I do the paint, what I have to do is to update the pivot point to move it to the bottom of your grass. Okay, and then choose it again, paint on the selected object. This time I want to use the Z axis. And then you can try to paint. Oh, there's some problem. Maybe I'm not going on. I shouldn't use Z. I undo it first. I change it to Y. Okay, should be Y. While you are painting your 3D object on your flower bed, you can change the space. If you increase number of space, okay, the density of your grass will lower, and also you can change the size of them. This is some variation. Sometimes it looks bigger. I want to decrease the maximum number of the scale, so I change it to maybe 150. Continue my painting. Decrease the number of space. Actually, you can paint outside. Okay, everything will be on your flower bed. Okay, after that, I finished the painting of my 3D object. Some of them was too far away and collision overlap with the brick. So I want to do is to select it and delete it. Each one is individual object. They won't affect each other. Or you can keep the original one, because they are instance. You can change it anytime you want. Okay, I'm going to group everything. Open it, hide this object, and then close the group. And the isolation, put the flower back. You can use your keyboard number key 7 to monitor the number of polygons we have now. We are now having 200 and 200 something thousand, 200,000 polygons. Okay, this is our grass bed.